In the Albion Park Rail area, a frequently encountered issue with garage doors is worn or broken cables. These essential components bear a lot of tension and over time can fray or snap, causing your garage door to operate improperly or even become stuck. Such a malfunction not only disrupts your daily routine, but can also pose safety risks. Don't let worn cables be the cause of your garage door woes. If you're experiencing issues with your garage door, it's time to contact the professionals. Call us at 0409-774111 to have your garage door cables inspected and repaired by qualified experts. Ensure your garage door works safely and efficiently without delay.